Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. All of those who are looking for a job in ECHS, especially in Patna, you can check out this video, as this will be a very useful video for all of the aspirants out there who are looking for a job in ECHS Patna. This video will speak about all the detailed information and the vacancies, the criteria that they are looking for in this particular recruitment of ECHS Patna.
Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Here are some basic details that you have to know. The organization name which is conducting is Ex-Servicemen Contributory Health Scheme, and there are n number of vacancies opened. Post names are as follows: Officer in Charge, Medical Specialist, Gynecologist, Medical Officer, Dental Officer, Pharmacist, Nursing Assistant, Dental Hygienist, Lab Technician, Physiotherapist, Driver, Clerk, DEO, IT Network Technician, Female Attendant, Chowkidar, Safai Wala and Peon. And the number of vacancies which are open for all of the posts which are mentioned are 79 vacancies. And whoever are interested to apply, please note the starting date for application has already been started and the last date is heading up near, which is 14th of March. The job location will be in Patna, and here is the official website. You can check out the official website and if you need further details. Moving on to the vacancies, here on the top you can see the division or the department of the post. For example, like you see Officer in Charge, Medical Specialist, Gynecologist, Medical Officer. And here you can see the different places of employment which are mentioned. For example, in the first place we have ARA. You have one vacancy for Officer in Charge, 2 for Medical Officer, again 1 for Nursing Assistant, 1 for Physiotherapist, 1 for Driver, 1 for Clerk and 1 for Safai Wala. So in such a case, the division of the vacancies are divided according to the places and also the department or the division which is mentioned here. And here on the last column you can see the date of interview post wise. For CIC Medical Specialist and Gynecologist, it is 20th of March. So please note the dates of interviews, especially if you want to apply. For all of those who are applying for Medical Officer, Dental Officer and Dental Hygienist, the interview date will be on 22nd of March 2021. For Pharmacist, Nursing Assistant, Physiotherapist, Laboratory Technician, for all of these posts, the interview will be on 23rd of March. Next, for Clerk, Data Entry Operator, IT Network Technician, for all of these posts, it is on 24th of March. And for the rest of the posts, which are Driver, Peon, Chowkidar, Female Attendant, Safai Wala, for all of these posts, the interview date will be on 25th of March. So please make note of all the interview dates, especially because it is divided into post wise and you might not be confused to whichever post that you are applying and the date which is issued for the interview. And as you can see here at the end of the column, you can see the total number of vacancies for each of the division. For the Officer in Charge department, you have 6 vacancies. For Medical Specialist, you have only 1 vacancy. For Gynecologist, 1. For Medical Officer, 14. For Dental Officer, 1. For Pharmacist, you have 8. For Nursing Assistant, you have 4. For Dental Hygiene or Assistant Technician, you have 1. And 1 for Lab Technician. For Physiotherapist, you have 3. For Driver, you have 2, for Clerk you have 17, and for Data Entry Operator you have 3, for IT Network 2, as follows, as mentioned here on the screen. So above all, please be aware of the dates of the interview which are mentioned to the end of the column and which I've just read it out. Next off, you're going to see the education qualification. Candidates have to possess this qualification, which is MD or MS, 8th, Diploma, Graduate, B Pharmacy, BSc, MBBS, BDS, BMLT and 12th grade pass. And if you want to know more about the details on the qualification and also the experience that they are looking for, you can always check out the official notification, because it will be very much in detail in respective of the experience. The selection process, the officials are going to conduct an interview in regards to select the candidates. And the age limit, whoever are applying for the post, please make sure that your age should be not exceeding 53 to 66 years of age as dated on 1st of March 2021. Candidates whoever are hired, you are going to get a pay scale of rupees 16,800 to 1 lakh per month based on the field or the department or the division that they have hired for. Now, candidates whoever are interested to apply or any of the posts which is relevant to your field, you can always check out this link which will be placed in the description box. Or you can also head over to Google and search for ECHS Partner Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. Hit over the first website and get all the detailed information at one place. Furthermore, if you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications, place them in the comment section and we will answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Freshers Now. Thank you for watching.